Ever hit a sudden, super frustrating mid-set crash, even when your nutrition is completely dialed in? You ate right and slept great, right? So why does your energy just vanish on the gym floor? Well, intense training stress can actually turn your perfectly healthy cellular battery into a leaking bucket. We call this a mitochondrial leak. Lipid peroxidation degrades inner membranes, literally sabotaging your ATP synthesis. So how do we fix it? The ultimate lever is Villa T8 Extra 90% concentrate. Its SibXP Complex delivers these things called polyprenols. Your liver then converts those straight into dolichols. Think of those endogenous dolichols as a biological sealant. They instantly repair cellular membrane integrity from within. Sealing those gaps completely restores efficient ATP synthesis. That means you're getting back your peak cellular power. To actually get these results, the protocol is strict. Exactly 1 milliliter, which is 2 pipette presses. Mix that into room temperature water twice daily, and definitely no hot liquids because they degrade the nutrients. By sealing that leak, you can finally banish the mid-set crash and reclaim all your cellular power. So the only real question left for you is this: are your cellular batteries fully sealed?